Hey folks! Exciting news from the collaboration of giants Sony and Honda. In 2022, they joined forces to venture into the world of electric vehicles, birthing the Sony Honda mobility company. Their debut creation, the Afeela, stole the spotlight at CES. What's unique about it? Well, the Afeela took the stage in style at CES, driven by Izumi Kawanishi, president and CEO of Sony Honda Mobility, using a PlayStation 5 controller. Now, let's talk about the car itself. The Afeela, originally the Vision S concept, has evolved, sporting traditional side mirrors, a tweaked front bumper, and a curvia headlight design. At the back, new trim elements add a touch of sophistication. Step inside, and you'll find a revamped cabin with a different rear-view mirror, a sleek yoke-like steering wheel, and dual smartphone wireless chargers. And guess what? There's a camera on the dashboard keeping an eye on the driver. Under the hood, the Afeela packs a punch with a dual-motor setup for an all-wheel drive experience. The 241 horsepower from each motor is fueled by a 91.0 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack. Fast charging enthusiasts rejoice. DC charging hits 150 kilowatts, and AC charging maxes out at 11 kilowatts. Exciting news for gamers, you can virtually drive the Afeela in Gran Turismo 7 with an update this year. Orders open in 2025, with North American deliveries set for early 2026. Stay tuned for the electric revolution.